13.5 degree Fahrenheit. So after we have pasteurized from here, we can bring it here. And we have to also send that sample of milk for culture. So when the report came and if the milk is sterile, so we can keep in the freezer over there and can keep the milk for 6 months.
And how do you then dispense the milk? Is it in
containers?
In bags or?
No, we have special container they have provided.
Yeah.
So we keep it over there for 6 months.
So it is inside that freezer?
Freezer. Yes.
So Stephen, I believe that you are responsible for maintaining and looking after the running of this machine. Can you explain to us how it works?
I think the working principle of this machine is very simple. We have two parts. That part, we have as a suction model, and this part, this particular area around here, we have the blower model. And that suction model, how it works is that there's a 50 HP motor where it sucks the oxygen, the oxygen from the environment. Where from there it cleans. That means it removes all the unwanted oxygen. Air. It removes the carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and all that, and some vacuum. From there, from that part, from this tank, it sends into these two tanks. From here, this is where the blower model, it sends out to the entire hospital from these pipelines that we have installed.
So all the oxygen then is piped into the hospital.
Yeah.
And it supplies what percentage of the hospital's supply?
Actually, almost 100%. That means every part of the hospital goes to the OT operation theater, the ICU area, and the NICU area. Every ward actually.
And this machine needed a building around it to keep it safe.
Yes, actually, that's the reason that we have this building as well, because and plus we have around this area we have a parking area here, so people some outsiders come and smoke, so that's why we have to keep it secure, because in case oxygen is no casualty will happen.
Well, wishing you very well with your work.
And just another point, we have this oxygen produces a purity rate of around 93%, with plus minus 3%. That's the percentage that it produces, the purity of the oxygen that this machine can produce.
That's very good.
And that part, we have installed also this oxygen manifold over here. In case of shutdown, power shutdown, this will help in supporting the patients. That's we have them as a backup.
If there is a power shutdown.
Yeah.
Yes. So all the carbon dioxide and the nitrogen gets pumped out.
Yeah, from this part. Actually, this carbon dioxide manifold and nitrous manifold, we have only reserved only for the OT operation theater. Actually. The rest we supply to the every ward. It's only for oxygen we supply to every ward. And that for nitrous and carbon dioxide we supply to the operation theater.
It doesn't allow you to keep this carbon dioxide and the nitrous for the operating theatre also, does it?
Sorry, I didn't get you that.
Does it allow you to concentrate the nitrous oxide for the operating theatre also?
No, actually we have this from we keep this totally different, not from this. The carbon dioxide and the nitrous doesn't come from this machine. It comes from cylinders only.
Cylinders only. Yeah. Wonderful. Wonderful. Well, thank you very much for showing this facility to us. It's heartwarming to see it in action, and thank you for maintaining it.